What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the show. I'm Spencer.
And I'm Christy, and we have been really enjoying spending time in the Louisiana, New Orleans area.
Yeah, it's pretty neat.
It's just so different for us. The cuisine here is crazy cool. It smells so good, even in the campground.
Yeah.
There's like so many people cooking different kinds of Cajun dishes every single day.
Yep.
And so
inspiration is all around us.
Yeah, and then we've been to the French Quarter. We've been kind of around here, just hanging out, trying some beignets as much as we can.
And if you can get real, authentic beignets from this area, do it.
Yeah.
It's well worth it.
So today we are giving our first real go at some Cajun food, but we've got some more coming up, lined up for you.
Yeah, for sure. But this one we're going to ease in a little bit. We're not doing anything too complex or too crazy. So today we are making Cajun flatbread.
So let's go fire up Blackstone.
As you guys know, we love spicy food, so today we are using some spicy meats first. We've got some andouille sausage that we're going to slice up for our Cajun flatbread. Next up, we've got pork tasso. I hope I'm saying that right. But this is basically like a ham that is spiced, and this is a new ingredient for us. I've never seen this before, but you can find it anywhere down here in Louisiana. So we're going to chop this up for our flatbread. This is going to be like a meat lover's Cajun flatbread. I've got our andouille sliced up, sort of like Cajun pepperonis here, and then I've got our tasso ham all kind of cubed and chunked up, so we have a few different textures on our flatbread. And the next thing to do is we're going to pre-cook them on the griddle to give them a little bit of extra flavor.
All right, while our meat is on the griddle, I'm gonna get our shrimp ready. I'm just peeling off their tails, and I'm going to cut them up into bite-sized pieces. Some may say we timed our New Orleans visit perfectly, while others may think we're a little bit crazy because Mardi Gras is just around the corner. And actually, it is one of my bucket list items. I have always wanted to go to Mardi Gras. However, we will not. We will not be doing that. We're actually going to be leaving before then. All right, our shrimp is ready to get on the griddle. I may have tried one, and it is delicious. So we're gonna get this down, get it seasoned up, and once it's cooked, we'll start prepping our flatbreads. The last thing to prep is our smoked gouda. So I'm gonna just shred up some of this, and then it will be time to roll out our flatbread. We've got our favorite, our Pillsbury pizza crust that we are gonna use as our flatbread base. And if you've seen some of our cooks before, you know we do not have a rolling pin. This has actually been sitting out, so it's a lot easier to stretch out. We might do the flip method.
Well, I don't know that that's going to work either. I think it's going to be stuck to it. Ouch! Ouch!
Sure. I got it. You film.
Careful, folks. The griddle's hot.
Here's where things are gonna move pretty quickly. We are gonna get our flatbread down on the griddle, let it cook for just a minute or two, and then flip it over. Once we flipped it over, you can see it's nice and golden brown on the top. It looks beautiful. We're gonna add on our sauce and then layer in our mozzarella and smoked Gouda cheeses. Next, we're going to layer on all of our meats and then the shrimp. Close the top for a little bit just to let our crust finish and melt the cheese. Oh my gosh, this looks so good. It smells fantastic. Last but not least is the CJ post dust. A little bit extra Cajun. And then it is time to dive in. Alright, so I'm gonna eat that one and I'll eat this one.
Okay.
All the others you
I'll
can
grab this one. Hey, look at that. A slice ready to eat. All right, here we go. That is fantastic.
Wow. Those flavors are really, really good.
There's a whole, wow. So the andouille has its own flavor, which is quite significant from the tasso ham, which is also very good. Never had that before.
The smoked Gouda with the mozzarella.
Smoked Gouda cheese on this
Flatbread
is fantastic.
Is,
and then the shrimp is
This is oh my goodness, so good.
I'm impressed with us.
We nailed this. As always, thank you so much for tuning in. We appreciate you watching.
Check out blackstoneproducts.com for all things Blackstone, griddles, accessories, and more. Make sure you subscribe and ring that bell on the YouTube channel so you don't miss any of the fantastic videos from any of the great cooks on the channel.
Like Nate, CJ, Todd, Betty, Bruce, Matt, and us.
And until next time, guys, this is Destination Delicious, and we will see you down the road.